today is one of my favorite sessions. Today is something which I personally have really had to work hard on my own self to be able to build my confidence muscle, and which is how do we deal with our failures? How many of you here agree, truly agree to the fact that the only reason you're not able to go to the next level is because you're not able to take the action, and the reason you're not able to take that action is because I don't like the failure. I don't like the feel of it. Give me yes in the chat when if you do know what I'm talking about. We truly want to do it, but we have so much fear of failure. We're like, लहरने दो ना, जो चल रहा है उसको ही चलने देते हैं. If I'm going to be trying that, what if I go and fail that? I don't want to do that. And I want you all to know this. I'm going to be doing absolute vulnerable. When I was starting Charismatic You back in whatever year, 2018, 2019, I still remember for good 4-5 months, every single day I used to wake up and feel, I have to do this, I have to do this. The heart was really high in doing it, but the brain and all my emotions used to tell me, Shruti, if you fail this time now, you will not be able to come out of this failure. And I still remember for those 4 months, continuously my system was failing. Morning 5 a.m., I was like, the pain in the stomach and so much fears and so many self-doubts. Anyone in the room has felt that we truly want to do this, but it's not constant pain rehta hai stomach mein, or for some of you in the throat, in the heart, that we are not able to do it because we don't want to fail at it. And today, there's something I'm going to be sharing with you all with respect to the failure. And I truly want you to know that we cannot build our confidence muscle till the time we go head on with our failures. Our failure has to become our best friends. That's who they are for us, because it's the failure which is going to be telling us how to navigate into the different direction of the same path. It's not an obstacle. It is not something which is against us. It is in favor of us. It's our friend. It's a GPS to us. It is telling us, "Arey, is direction mein gaye ho, but you know what? Don't go in this direction. Go in other direction." Give me BO in the chat window if that's a bulb on for you guys. Failure is not bad. Right from our childhood, we have been told, "Hey, you failed. You did a wrong thing. You made a mistake. You were not supposed to do that." Whenever we fail, we are made to feel lesser than the others. From now, I want every single one of you to know that every single time we fail, we're not lesser than the others. Every single time we fail, it's just an indication that we did something different from what we have been doing till today. If you keep continuing doing what you've been doing till now, how will you ever hit any sort of failure? Because you're not even going into your unknown territory. We always see failure when we're moving ourselves into a zone which we have not tried before. So please write it down. The first and the foremost thing we need to build for failure is feedback. And for every mommies and daddies in the room or the coaches in the room, every single time you see a child or you see your client failing, you're going to be celebrating with them. You're not going to be bringing the danda out. ऐसे क्यों करा, ये गलत था, ऐसे नहीं करना था, तुमको बोला था, ना. No, don't do that, because the moment we do that, we're training the child that they're not supposed to take those massive actions. And I'm going to be telling the same thing, please, to your child inside you. Nurture the child inside you and let the child inside you also know that every single time you little baby comes out of your own being and tries to do something that's different from what you've been doing till now, it's okay for us to see the failure. With me, guys. So failure is a feedback. You are either succeeding or you're getting a new direction to succeed. That's what failure tells us. You are either succeeding or it is telling you a different direction to move to that success. It is not telling you to stop. What do we guys do? Ye to kuch nahi ho sakta, let me just not do it. Some of us will not even start it because we don't want to see the failure. Some of us will start it, will fail it, will stop. Any which way I knew I'm going to be failing. Why do we go through the pain? Rather, every single time we fail, we are getting to know that this is exactly where I need to deroute. This is exactly where I need to take a little different direction. And I want you all to know This one change when I've made in my mind from the last 1.5 years, I can't even tell you the amount of creativity and the amount of solutions me and everyone in my team has been able to bring out. Every single time we hit with a problem statement, every single time I see things going wrong when I'm running my business or having an interaction with a client or seeing not the results which I truly wanted to see, I look at it not as, "Arey, ye to chalega nahi, itna dimag kharab ho raha hai." I look at it as a, "Shruti, feedback. What do you need to do differently today to be able to see a different result tomorrow?" Because if we keep doing what we have been doing till now, we'll keep seeing what we have been seeing in future as well. Today in Charismatic, when we are dealing, we are a team, very small team, dealing with thousands of the people every single month. How many of you, my rock stars and the gold stars and the people from my back end ship, have seen that how the team is able to operate in such a way? Give me a smile in the chat. And if there are times you actually get surprised कि लोग करते कैसे हैं, पीछे क्या 100 लोग बिठाए हुए हैं क्या इतना काम करने के लिए? Now, what I want you to know is, thank you so much for the smiles and the hearts. What I want you all to know is, we failed so many times in the last few years that we created so many systems, so many ways for us to keep tweaking it, keep tweaking it, that today, even when there are 1,000 people, when we started, there were only 5 of them or 10 of them. Today, we do batches of back in chair where we have more than 250 people, more than 300 people. Back then, only 50 people. A month when there used to be 40 or 50 people in the room, we used to do bhangra. 50 log aa gaye is mahine. Now it's like 100, 200, 250 in every single week. And the team size is still the small. Why? Because we kept on feeling, we kept on reworking on our own self, on our own system, instead of putting on the clients or putting onto the world or putting onto someone else. With me, guys. So every single time someone comes to you and tells you that this is not the right way to do, or someone environment tells you that you're not doing it right, you would, instead of blaming, complaining, and putting finger on them, you would start evaluating, what is the system which I can create in my head? What is the process which I can create in my daily routine? What is the thing which I can do to be able to step my level up? Yes, with me. So that's how we will be doing in terms of using the failure as our journey to the path of success. Now, second thing which I want you all to know is, please fail fast and fail forward. Please fail fast and fail forward. What does that mean? Every single time me or anyone around me or in the Charismatic team or with my loved ones, with my kids as well, every single time we make a mistake, the idea here is not to make the same mistake again. To please come with the next set of mistakes. Because till the time we keep on doing the same mistakes again and again, what we are in the mindset, somebody else has to change. It is not me who has to change. So what we do is, our pattern keeps on repeating. If at any point in time you hitting into the same thing again and again, same problem again and again, it's just an indication that you're not learning the lesson. You're not ready to know the feedback. With me, guys, it is not about someone else. It's not about environment. It's about you, that you're not ready to take the feedback. It could be in your relationship.
100% उसमें कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होगा काम.
Okay, just give me a moment. I'm just going to be muting all.
अच्छा होगा.
Sorry about that. And I'm just going to be turning. Yeah, there we go. So what I want you to know is, it's just an indication that, we are not learning our lesson. So let's assume that once this has happened, something, then let me just give you an example of, for us, Facebook account getting suspended. That's something which recently happened. So it just came to my mind. Facebook accounts getting suspended. Now I can crib and cry about that. My business has come to a halt. Things are not working because Facebook account has got suspended. Why did the people have done these kinds of processes? And I can go on and on and on and on about it. Or I put a system in my company to see that how do I need to make sure that I never hit into this problem ever again. I can hit into another problem, but not this problem ever again. Now it could be same with our relationship with the people at work. If you are seeing the same pattern again and again, it's just an indication that that relationship is making you, is telling you to learn a lesson, but you're not ready to learn that lesson. With me, guys, so fail fast and fail forward. If you see the same mistake, look at it. What's the lesson I need to learn from here? And I'm not going to be seeing this problem again. I'm ready to see the new problems because life is going to be like onset of ups and downs. I'm ready for the down, but a different kind of down because that's when you are growing. With me, give me with you in the chat window if you are with me on that. Now, here's what, thank you so much, Sunita. So here's what I want you to know as an affirmation, Today's affirmation for every single one of you is, I'm either on the right path to success. I'm either on the right path to success or getting feedback to get on the right path. I'm either on the right path to success or getting a feedback to get on the right path. And the moment we say this every single time in a day, in a week, in a month, you see something wherein you're not hitting the goals you were truly wanting to hit for yourself is, you will not beat yourself. You will not beat yourself. You will not criticize yourself. You will not label yourself. You will not speak lesser of people around. The only focus you'll bring for yourself is, hello, Shruti, something you need to learn from here. And I want you all to know this has been the mindset even when someone has shouted to me on the phone. In the past 3 years, happened only once or twice. And someone called me and started to shout, yeah, this and that and all in the services department. It can happen at any point in time. But even at that point in time when it has happened, for me, the mindset, the flag was, it is something you need to change into your process so that you never get this call ever. Because from your 50, it is going to be becoming 500 to 5,000 to 50,000 to 5 lakh. Till the time I don't grow my system, I will not be able to handle the world I truly want to go and explore with. And I want you all to have the same mindset for your own self in your own world. Confidence building will always come from every single time you take that go extra mile and be able to deal with that particular disaster. Write this down and remember, every master was once a disaster. Every master was once a disaster, and that master dealt with those disasters, and that's the reason it became a master one day. Successful people do not succeed by like this. They are the ones who see maximum failures. They see the failure, they move. They see the failure, they move. They see the failure, they move. So from today, I want every single one of you to start making your failure as your best buddy. फिर से फेल हो गए, चलो आ जाओ, बताओ अभी क्या चेंज करना है. How many of you can do that conversation with your failure starting from today? अरे फिर से आ गया, ओहो अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, but let me learn अभी मुझे next क्या करना है. So give yourself 24 hours to process it. I don't want you to take any action immediately because the moment you hit onto a failure, you will have a lot of emotions going up and down. But I want you all to start giving yourself 24 hours before you start beating yourself or start doing anything about it. Give yourself 24 hours, and after 24 hours, sit with it and just write it down for yourself. What's the lesson I need to learn? What's the lesson? What's the feedback I'm getting from here today? Yes, with me, because only when you're able to take that leap, you will know the amount of treasure you have inside you. Only when you take that leap, you would know, you will be able to unleash your own power, which right now might be sitting like this, कि अरे यार नहीं करना fail हो जाएंगे, नहीं करना fail हो जाएंगे. How will we ever know how much strength we all have till the time we do not see it and we do not go and accomplish it? Yes. So today what I want you all to do, so your affirmation for today is, I'm either on the right path or getting a feedback to get onto the right path. Thank you so much, Subhashini, for writing that down in the chat window. Your second part is, I fail fast and I fail forward. I want every single one of you to start failing faster. Please fail faster. One of the things which I keep applying for myself as well, and something which I've learned a very hard way, the same thing which I was supposed to do last year, I end up doing the next year. Karna to pada hi na eventually. How I wish I would have done last year. For every single one of you in the room, if you have to go live, if you launch something, if you are really planning to do something for yourself, know it for a fact the worst thing we can do to ourselves is that after 3 years, we watch ourselves and we're sitting at the same place. Bilkul nahi. Bahut bura. That we go through 5 years from now and then we watch ourselves, we're sitting at the same place with the same desires, with the same emotions. One of the things which I tell myself, which I'm going to be meeting, I'm meeting some of you guys for my personal Power Mastery 2-day program happening over this weekend. And that's the place I usually share this, that when I started this journey, the first thing which I told myself, and every single time I remind that to myself is as well is, Rashti, when you turn 90, that's something which is a communication which I do to myself. Rashti, when I turn 90 and I look back at my life, I'm going to be saying, wow, maza aa gaya. Kya life banai hai. Give me a smile in the chat window. If every single one of you in the room would love to say that to your own self when you reach in your 80, 90, 100, 150. I don't know what that number is going to for you. I don't know why for me it is number 90, but every single time I'm doing my gratitude, every single time I'm feeling those fears, every single time I am having those fears of feeling nahi karna, dukh raha hai, mushkil ho raha hai, ye kya chal raha hai, mujhe ye nahi pasand. I tell myself and remind myself again, Shruti, when you reach at 90, you have to look back at yourself and say, wow, what all you have achieved and the commendable and how proud I am of my own self. And I want every single one of you to have that feeling for your own self as well. How many of you think it's going to be such a beautiful feeling with no regrets when you look back and rewind your life like, oh, what all I have done all in my life. And for that to happen, we need to have confidence muscle, commitment muscle, and consistency muscle. And kudos to every single one of you who's spending this time of yours is building that, because I know how far every one of you in the room is going to be going. I know that for you. I believe in you. I know that's going to be bound to happen. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. What I'm going to be doing is all the sessions, all the last 4-day videos are up on the social media on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You just need to go back, watch, make notes, share, tag me and Charismatic You. Please note to tag me and Charismatic You for us to be able to find out the winner. I hope today's session added value to your life. I'm going to be opening the Telegram group is open. Please share what has been your bulb on moment. Last 30 seconds, as always, we're going to be playing some music and we're going to be making some dance. In the meanwhile, I'm just pasting the Telegram group again into the chat window. Make sure that you go to the Telegram group. We're sharing all the joining details and the video details in the Telegram group. Oh, I love those smiles in the chat window. So here we go. 30 seconds, little dance, and we'll get going. We're going to be meeting tomorrow again at 5. Tomorrow again is going to be a live session. I'll let you know after that, but tomorrow there's going to be a live session. How many of you here are going to be coming up for tomorrow as well? Give me yes in the chat window if you're going to be showing up, and no cause you're going to be not gifting yourself this 15 minutes. Super, love that. So let's make a little move and then we'll close for today.
दुनिया दीवानी है मैनू मिलन दे लई पर मैं तां पागल हां तैनू मिलन दे लई दुनिया दीवानी है मैनू मिलन दे लई पर मैं तां पागल हां तैनू मिलन दे लई तू गल छड्ड ले मैं कुछ भी ना पीवा तो तेरे ले आंदा चॉकलेट अज तक किसी नहीं मैं कभी किसे दी तेरी घर दोनों कटले
takeaway in the Telegram group. I'm going to be personally reading. I'm just loving some of you sharing your experiences as well. And I always feel when you share, right, it's not only who you grow, you make everyone along with you grow. How many of you agree? So if you are going through some of the changes in your being, if you're feeling and experiencing those changes, please, please, please put them into the Telegram group. You can also feel free to put on the Facebook group, because what I know for a fact is when you share, you care. When you share, you also become coach for those thousands of people who are reading that for you. And that's where the power is. And that's the only reason I've kept the Telegram group open as well. Facebook group is also open. Share what you have been feeling, how it has been going for you, and allow other people to also learn from your experiences. Yes, superb. Thank you so much, Manjot. I've started writing again just because of you. Every day you're looking great. Thank you so much, guys, for all the love. Just keep showing up. That's how I see how much you love me. That's the only way for me to evaluate how many people I keep on, because for me, this is extremely important for all of you to rise higher every single day and become that flag bearer for everyone around you, because you're lightening your own self. And you're going to be lightening your own self. There's absolutely no way that you're not going to be lightening the rooms where you enter. So be that bulb, be that tube light in every single room you go. And for you to get the lightning, you come and meet me. Pura pyar, power, energy, jo chahiye, I'll give you in abundance to the best of my capability and capacity, and of course, ability as well. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Thank you so much. Bye. You take care. See you tomorrow at 5, sharp 5.